With the integration of AI into CCStudio IDE, we're not just enabling code generation, but full closed-loop development. By giving AI the information and tool access it needs, we've created the most powerful AI development integration available today. A seamless experience with AI is entirely dependent on technically accurate information. The documentation on our tools, software, and broad embedded portfolio are injected in a format and structure that AI understands, leading to efficient, effective results that get you up and running with CCStudio development tools in seconds. Every component and application has its own unique specifications. A transformative feature is AI using SysConfig for peripheral and software configuration. Configuration issues and resource conflicts are automatically identified and resolved, all without requiring user intervention. Even when everything is assembled correctly, bugs still happen. And access to the debugger within the CCStudio IDE closes the AI automation loop. With debug access, an agent can inspect runtime state directly. It examines variables, steps through code, sets breakpoints, inspects registers, and identifies where and why there's a failure. And this enables adaptive analysis rather than trial and error. The agent doesn't just generate code and hand it back to you. It acts like a developer and identifies the problem, understands it, and resolves it independently, resulting in an end-to-end development workflow. Migration is an inevitable and time-consuming element of embedded development. It means understanding the new device and its software, identifying what is different, adjusting the configuration and software for the changes, and fixing everything that breaks in between. CCStudio IDE walks you through migration step by step. And this is where the combination of structured knowledge, configuration, and debug access make a real difference. The agent understands both devices, their respective software, and knows what needs to change, preserving your software investment. Finally, when you ask an agent to do something from scratch, it all comes together. Full application generation is possible using CCStudio IDE's structured knowledge and access to comprehensive structured documentation, validated configuration and tool integration with SysConfig, and closed-loop debugging, all in one continuous workflow. So you can generate a fully functional application starting with a simple prompt, and in many cases without searching for external resources. With these features and more in CCStudio IDE, AI is no longer just about code generation, it's full end-to-end application development. To experience this yourself, download the CCStudio IDE.